Alright guys, so we have an awesome new product signed by AGM Mobile again, the AGM X6 Phantom. So the X6 series, let's open the box and have a look at the phone. So you got some documentation here, and here is the Phantom X6. Let's have a look. See that? Completely transparent cover, and this is a real transparent cover. It's not like a nothing phones. We have a fake transparent cover. This is real. You can see the components inside. For example, here you have the NFC, and you have the flexible cables, the antenna, the chipset here. It's pretty awesome, pretty cool phone. And when you look at it like that, you don't know it's rugged. You don't actually know it's rugged, but it is 100% rugged, drop-proof, waterproof, dust-proof, and it's very thin and very light, so it's a good point. We've got also a 50 megapixel camera and a temperature measurement sensor also. And to do the unboxing today, we don't want to make it too boring like an official regular unboxing. We want to make it special, so we plan to put this phone in concrete for 3 days, and when we arrive Friday, today is Tuesday, when Friday arrives, we will break the brick and see how the phone survived, right? And unbox the phone, and I will give you more details about the phone at this time. So let's do it, let's make some concrete. Okay, so the concrete is finally done. So let's take the X6 AGM Phantom and put it in the concrete.